Hello and welcome back to Top Tip Tuesday with myself, Rory. Today, what we're going to be going over is how to delete an employee and what happens once an employee is deleted from Scorebuddy. A question we get quite a lot here within Scorebuddy is, if I delete one of my agents, are all of the history and the data associated with the agent lost? What we'll be doing today is showing you how to delete an employee, how to restore an employee, and I'll explain a bit about what can happen going forward with any data and stuff like that. So the first thing to note is you would come to your staff page here. You'll notice you have the option to kind of multi-select or just select individual employees if you so choose. But if you wanted to delete one of your employees, for example, you would come over here to the More button. You'll notice then there is a Delete Employee option. You can select that and you'll see you'll get a warning as well, and making sure that you want to delete the right person. The good thing about Scorebuddy is that you always have the ability to restore these types of agents and supervisors. You'll notice that there is an option up here which says Show Deleted. This will show you any agent who has ever been deleted through your system, and essentially you will have the option then to restore the employee if for some reason you deleted by mistake, or if the employee maybe is on leave for an extended period of time. You will see here that there is an option to restore the same employee that I just deleted. Simply click restore and it will be restored directly back into your employee tab. One thing to note about Scorebuddy is that nothing is ever really hard deleted. Even if that employee themselves was deleted per se, you can restore them and their data will always be available within Scorebuddy. So if you delete an employee, please don't worry. None of their scores will be deleted along with them. All of their data will still be kept. The only difference is essentially their profile will be deleted. But as I said, you will always have the opportunity to restore that employee. That's all for now. We'll see you in the next one.